Hey everyone, Bret Wallace, your Fort Bend, Texas realtor. Wanted to talk to you today for a moment about do's and don'ts while getting your loan underwritten. Okay, so you apply for a loan, you're approved, great. You go out, you find a home, awesome. 20 to 30 days it's gonna take for you to close on that home. Here's what to do and what not to do from the time of application to the time of closing, okay? Let's go over the don'ts first. Don't open any new lines of credit. Furniture, don't apply for credit, don't go to the Mercedes-Benz, don't do anything. Appliances, furniture, again, don't apply for anything new. Don't get new credit and don't even apply for new credit, okay? If you have any questions, call your lender, call your realtor, but they're gonna tell you the same thing. Don't do anything to rock the boat, okay? Next, don't co-sign for anyone. Your daughter, your uncle, your cousin. This is in Texas, I hate to say it, don't even sign for your mom, okay? Don't help your mom out. Please, you can tell her that I said that. She'll appreciate it. After the loan closes, help your mom out, okay? Don't co-sign for anything, okay? Next, don't drastically increase your existing debt. If you have a line of credit for a certain amount, don't call and ask and say, hey, get it jacked up to this, or even if somebody offers you, say, hey, you can do this. Just keep things consistent, keep things the same. The name of the game with loans is consistency, no volatility. That's what they want to see, okay? After the loan closes, do as you see fit with things. Trade in that truck for a newer truck. Trade in that Toyota for a Lexus. Cool, okay? Don't do this before the loan closes. They're gonna check your credit a day or two or the day of closing, okay? The worst thing in the world as a realtor to get a call from a lender and say, hey, do you know that your guy just applied last week and had his credit ran by Lamborghini of Houston? No bueno, folks, okay? Next, don't close any assets, existing accounts, of liabilities. If you think, oh, I only have $200 credit, $200 balance left on this card, I'm gonna pay that off and zero out the account and cancel it. Don't do that, okay? That's an existing line of credit. It might be 6 or 7 years old, which makes you look consistent, or that you're an existing borrower, that you have a history of keeping accounts current, open, whatever. Don't close out anything, okay? Okay, last thing, don't open a dispute on your credit report. And honestly, don't even pay off, if there's an existing like $180 electric bill from your college days, right, that you didn't even know you had, don't pay that off. If your lender already knows about it and y'all have talked about it, don't pay it off. You might be at a 622 credit score, and then paying off something brings you down a few points to 618. Now you qualify, it's a different interest rate, different mortgage insurance or private mortgage insurance or whatever you're set up. Again, consistency, no volatility, no ripples, no waves, that's the key to the game. Call your lender, call your realtor, text them, email them, that's what they're there for. Don't do anything, because once it's done, it's done. Call before. And again, if you can't do that, just think, should I do nothing and keep things all the same, or should I do something different and cause a wave? You know the answer to that. You've been watching this video for 2 minutes already. Don't do anything drastic. Keep things consistent. Some do's, okay. Stay current on your monthly payments, your minimum payments. Don't pay anything late. No matter what it is, if it's a revolving debt on your credit report, pay it on time, okay? Pay it in full, pay it on time. Whatever your minimum obligation is, pay that at least, okay? Next, continue to use your credit as you normally have. Unless your lender's told you, hey, you're right on the bubble, $1,000, $400 more on this credit card, and it's gonna blow your debt to income ratio too high, it's gonna blow it up and we can't do the loan. Obviously then, but in any other normal situation, just be normal with your credit purchases, whatever you've been doing, keep consistent. Inform the lender of any upcoming job changes, income, debt, life changes, whatever. If you're, for an example, a sous chef at Perry's Steakhouse, and then you get a promotion or a better opportunity to be a sous chef at Vic and Anthony's, that's probably not a huge deal. You're in the same business, but still talk to your lender about that, right? That's still a job change, but at least you're in the same industry. If you go from being a sous chef at Perry's Steakhouse to becoming an IT department worker at HP or Dell, that's a totally different, the lender's like, what the heck's going on? This is not very consistent. This is a little volatile. They get worried, okay? If there's any expenses or new debts that are not yet reflected on your credit report, please tell the lender. Say your kid breaks his arm, or there's a medical emergency and you have to go to a Ready clinic or something, you spend $1,400 and you just don't have your checkbook and you put it on your credit card. Tell your lender immediately, okay? Life happens, there's ways around it, but don't just let it pop up 2 days before closing. Not good, okay? Lastly, do this, okay? If there's anything that you anticipate, like if your family's gonna give you a gift, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, if you're getting gift money for your down payment, please tell the lender ahead of time. It's not a difficult process, but things need to happen in a certain way. There needs to be a gift letter. The funds need to be seasoned, which not only means that the money needs to appear in your account, the borrower, for a certain amount of time before closing. The money where it's coming from needs to be traced to, right? A duffel bag of cash just can't get deposited into your Wells Fargo checking account and they see a $15,000 cash deposit. It's called seasoning and sourcing. They want to make sure it comes from mom and dad or grandma and grandpa or Uncle Tom or whatever, or Uncle Sam. You need to make sure that the seasoning and the sourcing is there. So, that's the do's and don'ts of underwriting and getting a loan. Again, err on the side of nothing. Don't change anything. Okay? If you like this video, please click below, like. If you like this channel, or if you like the stuff you've seen on this channel, please subscribe. The comment section, tell me if there's something you want me to address, if you have any questions about this video. Cool. A lot of resources are on my website, bretwallace.com, along with my phone number, my email, all that cool stuff. Go on there. Reach out to me anytime. If you want me to do a video on anything specific, let me know. In the meantime, keep killing it out there, and I'm here for you guys, whatever you need. Thanks a lot for watching.